Feeling tropical? Let's do a pineapple daiquiri. Start off by filling a shaker with ice. In it goes. You don't need a ton. We're gonna add 2 ounces of rum, white rum. In it goes. 1 ounce of fresh pineapple juice. Has to be fresh. I can't do the canned stuff. No matter what brand I've tried, it's just terrible. But fresh is amazing. Juice of lime, or 1 ounce of lime juice or so. Half ounce of simple syrup. I think the pineapple is plenty sweet enough, so you don't need a ton here. Top it off. Give it a good shake. Now strain it out. Now I garnish with pineapple and whatever the leaves are called. Enjoy, friends. Ciao.